Begin by sautéing onions, garlic, green peppers, and jalapeños. Next, add Miner's natural gluten-free chicken base. Incorporate black beans, roasted red peppers, tomatoes, salsa, picante sauce, and Miner's red chili adobo flavor concentrate. Then add boiling water. Remove from heat and blend with an immersion blender for 2 to 3 minutes or until medium coarse consistency is reached. Return to heat. Add chicken, roasted corn, and green onions and simmer until heated through. Season to taste. Serve with a slice of lime.